Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to see download history on Google Play Store. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Play Store app right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon on the top right corner. And then click Manage Apps and Devices. After that, click this Manage button here. And then you will see all of the apps that is downloaded to your cell phone. To see all of your history, you can also check it by clicking this install button and then click not installed right here. So you will also see it right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go back again, and you can also see the updates available, games, and then archive. And after that, you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.